Oh, I'm gonna slap you so hard.
Yeet! Because we can, you know? Ooh, is that a Harley? I think that's a Harley, boys. Sounds like it. Alright. Alright. It's a red light. Slow down. Skirt. Let's go. Green light. It's fucking too hot to be sitting like this. It's cloudy though. That's okay with that. No cops. I think we're good. Until it's too late. Then we're fucked. You know? I really hope I don't need to do anything else. Oh, that was a fucking nice Corvette. I think that's a C8. I hope I don't need to buy anything else for the mic for it to pick up my voice. Alright, you know? Because apparently last time with my DJI Osmo camera, it was not picking up my voice. It was just the adapter was not working. So, it was a fucking highway. Jackass. I know I ride an R3, I know, but boy, kiss my ass, highway, you know? God, I can't wait to buy an R6. Literally gonna be the best investment of my life. Fuck, this road is bumpy. God damn it. God damn it. It should get better after this light. We'll see. Alright. I'm just going to UPS right now to pick up a box. A package that was not fucking delivered, because apparently UPS will not leave your fucking packages if you don't open the fucking door, because it's UPS. Fucking idiots, making me drive in this hot ass fucking weather. Alright, boys. Oh shit. Damn, it's hot though. There's a nice cloud up above right now. Oh fuck, that's a Zeal one. Shit, that was a Zeal one. I think that was like a 5th or 4th gen. Bruh. That was a sick ass Camaro. Literally my dream car right there. Fucking ZL1. Oh, parking like an asshole, huh? Jesus Christ. Alright. Let's see. Test 2 with the mic. Picked up the package from UPS. It is so fucking hot. Oh God. Oh my God, bro, come on. Fuck it, I'm going over to that side. So hot. Oh, fuck me. Jesus Christ. I feel like I just took a shower in my own fucking sweat. Oh dear God. Fuck me. Oh shit. God damn. Fuck it, we'll go straight. Fuck, it's so hot. God damn. Oh, now I have to sit in the fucking sun, bro. Ah! Literally a fucking heat wave here in Sacramento. Jesus, I am so sweaty. Nasty! Hella nasty! Fuck off! Make sure there's no cops behind me. Don't want to be dealing with that bullshit right now. Ooh, should I lane split? Fuck it, we're lane splitting to make a turn. Bitches! Skirt! Shit. Oh, so hot. Fuck me. Remind me never to ride my motorcycle when it's over 100 degrees again. Actually, don't. I will remember this. Fuck, it's so hot. My God. Any cops? Nope. Nope. We Gucci. Fuck me. My motorcycle's overheating. Shit. My camera is recording. revving back there? I want to know. I swear I heard like a Charger or Challenger. It's not a Mustang. Mustang sound. But, you know, we're not going to talk about it. Ah, it's so hot! Yeet! Oh my god! Oh, I want to open my visor. It's so hot. Fuck me. Ah! It's so hot. It is a lot of fun. Just something to get. Whoa. Unfucking believable. That's the crazy shit that goes on here. Fucking learn. Use your fucking signal properly. Ah! I can't even talk. Fuck. Oh my god. Woo! Alright. Well, now that I'm awake at 10 o'clock p.m., fuck me, that got the adrenaline going. Jesus Christ. Horrible driving here in California, 101. Hey! Dude, today's been so fucking hot. Literally, the hottest it got today was 112 degrees outside. 112 degrees here in California during a heat wave, of course, but like, bruh, you know, that was absolute shit. But I couldn't ride the whole day, so here we are going out at 10 p.m. Okay. Fuck. I should go over to the other side. I hate people who do that shit. Like, you fucking, you know you fucking saw me. Fucking move over! Ah! Move over, bitch! Fuck.